Asante sana Mr. DJ. Tuwapigie vijana makofi tafadhali.
Thank you.
Wataregea baadaye.
Thank you very much. That is a team that has been trained and they have always had a lot of communication around HIV prevention. They are a team that is made up of a larger number, but today that is what we had available. Your Excellency, the Governor, Honorable Kiraitu Murungi, the Deputy Governor, Honorable Titus Ntochio, the CHMT team that is around, all protocols observed. We are glad that we are having this day of launching the Meru chapter of the Kenya EMR, and we are going straight into the program without wasting time. I take this opportunity to invite the Chief of Staff to take us through the next session. Karibu sana Mr. Gideon Kimathi.
Asante sana.
Makofi.
Asante sana. His Excellency the Governor, the Deputy Governor, our partners, our great friends. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Are you happy today? If you are happy, piga makofi. Hii ni Christmas period. Na mimi naona kama USA leo umekuja kutupatia Christmas ya mapema. Wapigiwe makofi jamani. In the interest of time, we will not follow the program as it is, but to make sure that the event becomes very, very colorful and we achieve the objective. Because after this, I know there are 4 other events that are lined up for the governor to be able to officiate. So I will request the Chief Officer, Dr. Kiremi, to come over here. You have exactly 3 minutes to make sure we know why we are here and recognize any other person not talking from where they are. Dr. Kiremi apigiwe makofi. You have already spent 30 seconds.
Thank you. Your Excellency, the Governor of Meru County, Kiraitu Murungi, the Deputy Governor, Titus Ntochio, the CC for Health, Dr. Meshach Mutuma, the partners here present from USAID, led by the CHAC General Secretary, Dr. Mwenda, and your team, and together with the Chief of Party for JTP, my fellow colleagues in the Department of Health, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. So it gives us a lot of joy as the Department of Health, as Chief of Staff, as rightfully said, ni Christmas imekuja mapema. It's a season of giving. We are here today, Your Excellency Governor, to receive. And we must really say thank you to CHAC, JTP, and USAID in general for thinking about Meru and coming to us today. Your Excellency, we have had a long partnership with USAID, as you know, and with JTP, we started earlier in the year as a new implementing partner under USAID through CHAC. And the purpose of their program is specifically on the area of HIV, HIV and TB treatment, and the area of orphaned and vulnerable children. In Meru, we have facilities that are spread across the county, over 500 facilities in this county that treat patients. But for HIV testing, we have facilities in 274 places spread across the county which treat these patients. But JTP through CHAC and USAID have gracefully assisted us in 77 of these facilities where we want to do robust testing and treatment and care of people that are living with HIV/AIDS. In Meru, Your Excellency, we have over 30,000 people living with HIV, of which 25,000 are on treatment or ART, and it has been shown that treatment is part of prevention. The more people we have on treatment, the more we are likely to prevent diseases or the HIV pandemic. Now, under the program that you are going to receive today and the equipment that you are receiving today from JTP, and they will explain further, Your Excellency, what they are donating, is equipment that help us to manage these patients by keeping data properly, so that when a patient comes back to our clinic, sikae kama zile siku za ministry lands unaambiwa file imepotea. Unakuwa ni electronic keeping of records, so that whenever a patient comes to us, they are able to be treated and followed up correctly. And I'll allow the JTP team, when their time comes, to explain more about this kind donation. Mine is to thank them, and as I sit down, to recognize the people in my department who are here. We have the Director for Medical Services is here, Dr. Kome. We have the Director for Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital, and I have a team from Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital. If you could just stand up where you are. It is deliberate because JTP will tell you it is our busiest facility in terms of HIV care here in Meru and in the 4 counties that JTP is supporting. Meru level 5 is the busiest. I have members from the county health management team. I see Kinoti, I see people like yes, and I have also, among the gentlemen who have stood up, are people, Your Excellency, who help us, officers who help us in care of HIV in the sub-counties, led by Mariana here, who works in Bori, and there are teams sitting there also who help us in various fields, from health records, which we are going to improve today, to laboratory, to nutrition. They are all here because care and treatment for HIV patients is multidisciplinary. With those many remarks, Your Excellency, mine is just to say thank you for honoring us with being part of us this afternoon, and to JTP, USAID, and CHAC, thank you so much for this partnership. Asanteni sana.
Thank you. Thank you. Let us appreciate Daktari Waziri Meshek Mutuma. Waziri, very briefly again, all protocols are observed, so go direct.
Your Excellency, our Governor, our Deputy Governor, our partners from USAID, all officers from the Department of Health, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Bwana asifiwe. Let me say, in the Health Department, we are actually very happy today because we have been through this program for a long period of time. This is actually through the advice of our Governor. We have been partnering with USAID for a long period of time. And this time now, we have been partnering on a program on electronic medical records, or EMR, a software for capturing data, which will enable us to use less paper in our work. Health being dynamic, we are now focusing on how we can acquire the data very easily without using a lot of paperwork. So through this program, we have been undergoing various trainings on how to use this program. And today we are very happy. With our partners today, we are going to launch this EMR strategy, and still today, we shall be able to be handed over ICT program to support at least 35 of our health facilities. This is a great achievement because in total, it cost more than 18 million. So this is a great achievement for the county, and on behalf of the department, we want to thank our partner USAID through the CHAC and implementing partner Benjamin Tekelesi for this support. And we promise we shall use that support to ensure that we capture the data appropriately in the Department of Health. Thank you very much.
Asante sana Waziri. Let us appreciate Waziri. We are lucky we have a son of the soil here, Dr. Mutugi, head of the Health Program, General Secretary, and we are happy we are able to track the MOU, and now we are getting fruits. So Daktari, kindly come over and do a brief overview of the program. Let us appreciate him. Asante sana.
Your Excellency, Excellency, the Governor of Meru, Honorable Kiraitu Murungi, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, Titus Ntushio, all protocols observed. It's my pleasure to join you in this auspicious occasion. And thank you for joining us as we celebrate the commendable progress courtesy of the great collaboration that we've had and partnership we've had with the county government of Meru and the Department of Health. Before I proceed, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to share a brief about our program that is called USAID Jamii Tekelezi Program. This is a 5-year program funded by US government in support of HIV services in the counties of Embu, Meru, Nyandarua, and Tharaka Nithi, with Meru being our largest supported county that we are partnering with. The program is a follow-up of previous program that was supported by USAID from early 2000. Our program aims to have more people access and use quality HIV services, and we are working on strengthening the health systems in the counties that we work in. Jamii Tekelezi works cohesively with all relevant government agencies, development and implementing partners, and other key stakeholders at the community, county, and sub-county levels. It is important to mention that we are a consortium. Jamii Tekelezi is a consortium of Christian Health Association of Kenya as the prime recipient of the USG funding. We do also have our partner, Missions for Essential Drug Supply, that is MEDS, and National Organization for Peer Educators, that is NOPE. One of our core mandates is to help the county health systems, local partners, and community to have the evidence they need to make effective decisions in the fight against HIV. And today I'm excited that we are handing over ICT equipment worth approximately 18 million shillings and launching a new model that will help expand the use of electronic medical records in Meru County and help establish a paperless system in our health facilities. We envisage a situation where our healthcare workers will be able to provide quality health care services to our patients and obtain real-time data for good decision making. The model will not only reduce filing costs, paperwork, and printing of registers, but will also save on space. Other benefits accruing from this model includes efficiency in patient management, effective retrieval of clinical information and appropriate patient care, verifiable reports to government functionaries, data for health decision-making and management, and recently the current trend, that is case-based surveillance for HIV epidemic control. USAID Jamii Tekelezi will continue to work with Meru County to ensure that the laptops, desktops, and servers that we are handing over today are deployed to the earmarked facilities to help improve management of HIV and AIDS clients at the county and facility levels. It is important to mention that all our interventions are evidence-based, Your Excellency, and we do not just wake up one day and decide that facility X needs a computer, facility Y needs a laptop. Our teams working with the County Department of Health already did baseline assessment to ascertain the needs and respond appropriately. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to take this opportunity to applaud the County Health Department, which has closely worked with our program team on the ground to support the scale-up and the ownership of the Kenya EMR, that is Kenya National Electronic Medical Records System. The milestones we are celebrating today has been achieved through stakeholder workshops in which the county health leadership team played a very key role. Today, we also celebrate and acknowledge EMR champions who have received extensive training and are represented here in this forum. They have received extensive training in the installation and usage of Kenya EMR, and we shall acknowledge their support, continued support at the health facilities. I would also like to take this opportunity to reaffirm the valued partnership that USAID Jamii Tekelezi has with the county government of Meru. We are delighted to work with you on fast-tracking HIV epidemic control and improving the lives of the people that we serve, especially the households that are affected by HIV/AIDS. Your Excellency, we are grateful as a partner, and I would like to allow me to recognize the USAID Jamii Tekelezi team that we are with. Wherever you are, maybe you can just wave. A number of EMR champions that are with us drawn from various health facilities. Our CHAC leadership, led by the General Secretary, Dr. Samuel Mwenda, Head of Health Programs, led by Dr. Kamau. Thank you so much. God bless the leadership of Meru County, the people of Meru. Thank you so much.
Okay, asante sana, tumpigie makofi tena, we appreciate him. Asante sana. Nafasi sasa nitaita Deputy Governor aweze kutualikia governor tumalize hii program. Makofi kwa Deputy Governor. Karibu sana.
Asante sana, Chief of Staff. Our Governor, our friends from USAID, JTP, of course, and CHAC, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon. Let me also say I'm very delighted to join our Governor here today as we receive this donation, which is very, very timely. The ministers talked of the value of the items that are being donated here today. And as the Minister for Finance in this county, I'm very delighted because the resources that we would have used in buying this sort of equipment will now have to be directed to do other projects. So I really must thank you, you said, CHAC, for this very, very, very useful support that you have given us. I want to thank the department. I know this is a journey that you have worked for quite some time. I remember, I think Dr. Mwenda was here sometimes early this year, using here as a government that are going towards health system actually is very high. We are spending over 30% of our annual budget on matters health. So if we can be able to prevent some of the problems, healthy problems that our people are facing, I think that can also save us resources that can be directed to other things. Why am I saying this? We know HIV is something that you cannot contract from the air. Kawido mako atamuri mukingo kumakiruo. Yote ya COVID. Mukingo te ya COVID. Kana ya COVID. COVID bano mewatere ruone. Lakini tuje naranta bagata uri muri mukingo. So ndenda kuri anta bato ba meru tu menyereni. Nonto tu ina nyingi. Tumba kana tukwenda gutethia antu betu ba meru. So manda ya mera tumba kwa avoid. Ya mirimu emekingo tafadhali tuichiomeni tuimenyere kenda tutegeretere thina imwe no tutukomba kubwithia resources ito utumira ke mando ya ku manage patients betu parabe na murimu ya mukingo tomba wiki mando ne yangi tomba kundi anto betu ruwe tukabitha barabara tuwaka ilasi na mando yangi ya maingi so ango enda kurinya tukiweruwa na tuki celebrate tumenyaire manto ya mano manga tuimenyere especially hitare antu wete tigonko iwe ya very careless raha mingi hiyo. Sasa naomba pia tuwe tujikinge ndio tuweze kujiletea shinda ambazo hazina maana. Kwa hivyo sitaki kuongea mengi, mimi kusema asante sana Dr. Mwenda and the Chief of Party and indeed everybody, all the partners for this very, very great support. We are truly very, very grateful. This is very much in line with our governor's manifesto, our governor's dream of making Meru great through a very sustainable and very, good healthcare system. Meru cannot be great if our people are not healthy. Meru cannot be great kama watu wetu hawana afya mzuri. As I said, we are spending over 30% of our annual budget kwa mambo ya health. So tunasema ni asante sana kutusaidia in that journey and dream of making Meru great. Asanteni and God bless you. Naomba sasa kwa heshima kubwa sote, kwa sababu tumeketi kwa muda mrefu, tusimame tukaribishe gavana wetu na makofi matatu ya kilo moja. Pili, tatu, karibu governor, and Merry Christmas to all of you. Asanteni.
Sir, can we be seated? Thank you very much. Could we appreciate our Deputy Governor? Dr. Samuel Mwenda, the General Secretary of the Christian Health Association of Kenya, and Dr. Mutugi Mureithi, Chief of Party of the USAID Jamii Tekelezi Program, all our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. And we are very, very happy this morning to get an early Christmas gift from the USAID Jamii Tekelezi Program. This program focuses on providing better services for our HIV patients, and also helps us in prevention, of HIV incidences here in Meru County, and indeed the 3 other counties in the cluster that this program is targeting. I must first congratulate you because of registering a major success in the reduction of the prevalence of HIV in this county. From the statistics that you yourselves have, Meru has a population of 1,545,714 people. I think we have increased because the others who have been born after this. And out of that population, only 30,601 people are living with HIV in Meru County, representing an average of 2.1%. This is a major achievement, considering that the national average of HIV prevalence is almost 5%, did 4.9%. So Meru is below half of the national average. This has not happened by itself. It's because of the serious efforts that yourselves, our medical teams, and the people of Meru themselves have taken to prevent HIV and to make sure that those who contacted it are being treated. These days, most of the funerals we are attending are not from HIV-related complications. They are from COVID, cancer, and other conditions. So it shows this program has been very, very successful. But our dream as a county is to make sure that we have zero prevalence of HIV in this county. So I believe we are going to work together with Dr. Mutugi there to make sure that this 2.6% goes down at least 1% during the life of this program. We would like to thank the USAID also, because you are not merely focusing on the patients and the drugs, but you're also looking at the strengthening of our health systems. One of the major challenges has been information and record keeping in Meru County. Our records are still done by hand, and sometimes if somebody walks away, without a notebook, then the records disappear. So I'm very, very happy that you've decided to assist us to digitize or computerize the system, so that the information is stored through a paperless system. So your assistance, which you brought today, which is going to cover all our level 4 hospitals and some of level 3 hospitals in
strengthening the system and modernizing it through provision of these computers is going to help us a great deal in making our services more efficient to our people. So mine as the Governor of Meru, to thank you most sincerely, but also as Oliver Twist of Meru, to ask you for more. So Paris imetoka, because they are not covering all our health facilities. Please go back and say the governor has asked for more. The governor ameomba tuongezwe ingine so that we can achieve our ambitious task of eliminating HIV, within our county. Also, as the deputy governor said, HIV doesn't just happen. You don't contract it from the environment. This is a social disease, and just like we are preventing COVID by not greeting each other and by not kissing, we can also prevent HIV if you are ready by just saying no. Just one word, very short, simple one. 2 letters, no, can save you from HIV. And also not avoiding temptations. You go to a ground where people are drunk, where their judgment is not properly being exercised, then you are also exposing yourself. So I think we have undertaken ourselves also as individuals to control ourselves and encourage behavior, which does not expose ourselves to HIV risks. But I want to congratulate you. The fact that we are below the national average shows that the people of Meru are behaving responsibly. And so I'm not complaining very much, but I'm encouraging you, to do even a little more. So, ntekwenda kwalia nkurukio nibuye tutete Christmas itera ndigo nkubu wega tutembera shukire mwathani nkatho, and we take care of ourselves. This group, the Christian Health Association of Kenya, they want to promote quality health care for all the people of this country, not so that they can make money, but so that they can promote the glory of God. So they are here to eliminate HIV in Meru, to promote the glory of God. I think that is a good objective, and we also, who say we are making Meru great, we are not just making Meru great so that we can have more money, drive more cars, and then we die. We also want to promote morality. We also want to make Meru great through spiritual development. So we are going to be partners, even with the Christian Health Association of Kenya, to promote not only the physical well-being of our people, but also the moral and spiritual well-being. So, Dr. Samuel Mwenda, thank you very much for even bringing medicine and mixing it with the broader objectives of society. So asanteni sana, have a Merry Christmas, and for those we might not see, a prosperous New Year. And the champions who have been helping us in the villages, please continue, make your best even better through reduction of these numbers even further. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency. We request you, Your Excellency, for 3 minutes of your time. We give the certificates to two of the champions. Two of the champions, where are they? What their name? Linus Mwenda. Linus, the other one. Linus, where are you? Grace McKenna.
Grace McKenna, Linus Mwenda, just come. The rest of the champions, just walk. You will not be given certificates. Kuja tu. Kuja hivi, usiogope. Kuja.
Okay.
You are coming near a power. Sasa wewe. Kuja.
We'll give those two. The others can get later.
Dr. Mutugi, kindly join us. Dr. Mwenda, join us. Dr. Kamau, as this certificate is handed. This picture will be found on Facebook, on WhatsApp. This picture may be found in many areas, systems. Tutaanzia yule wa kwanza.
Dr. Mwenda, karibia tafadhali.
Grace McKenna, where are you? Grace McKenna. Msikue na wivu, wengine wetu tupige makofi. Makofi. Thank you very much. Congratulations, Grace McKenna. Grace McKenna, congratulations. Weko.
Linus.
All right, and then Linus Mwenda. Makofi. Thank you very much. That is really inspiration transferred from the governor himself to the entire team. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Protocol officers, you lead the governor to where the road is.
That is Grace McKenna taking. Thank you.
So I think we sign. Let's sign the. There's a book you wanted signed. Motegi, tell the governor sign your officer's book. After that, the cake should be ready. Aya, cake. Who is in charge, Evelyn? I'm told you are in charge. Cake. Kindly, cake. The person in charge, cake. Yeah. Cake. We share and strengthen the partnership through this cake. After that, we will flag off the equipment and then it marks the end of our program. Microphone, another mic. Haya, toa hii. Kimathi, where are you? Microphone. Kimathi, mic.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mwenda, Dr. Mutugi, His Excellency the Governor and our DG. So kindness in cutting the cake. Yes, yeah. Let us all of us cut the cake. Thank you so much. That is the partnership between Meru County, CHAC, ESID and PEPFAR. Now you need to taste the cake kindly.
Kata kakibwana kapekata kuenda na email yangu. Si kubwa sana. Hata ipiki. Ale niko na bando. Ni MP3. Sina ya simu. Simu yangu una shida ya kuinstall. Naituma inapeleka kwa draft.
Tunatumia kwa nini kwa
Watakanga email.
That is for the partnership and Merry Christmas. Good. Asante sana. We now proceed to the EMR, the setup there, as we exit the setup there. Kindly lead us, UCD.
And we have an interoperability layer which communicates between all the systems, and to make sure that our numbers in Meru County are being viewed from the national data warehouse, we have a DWAPI application which we automatically uploads the data. So the system can easily be able to communicate with our national repository for reports, that is the KHIS. Yes, what we key in here can actually be uploaded to the national data warehouse, and the performance of Meru County can be viewed from each and every corner. Thank you so much.
Okay. Asante sana. Ile zawadi iko wapi? Ile zawadi. Asante. Deputy Governor. Asante sana. We proceed and cut the ribbon here, and then flag off the equipment to go to the health facilities. Asante. As we proceed to the last event. Okay. Yes? Oh, mine. Yes. Asante sana. Thank you. Asante. Let's do the last activity here, Your Excellency. The equipment that are tukimaliza, kama kuna wimbo ya Christmas iwekwe.
As it proceeds, we are asking the pilot to be ready, the pilot of the car that is carrying the cargo. Jitayarishe, engine ianze kunguruma. Handed over, makofi ya kilo. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless the entire Meru County. God bless Jamii Tekelezi. That is now the governor flagging it off. Twende kasi, ere, makofa.
Haya, makofi.
Makofa ya kilo, makofa.